Another great morning at the pick and pull. Just walking around, checking to see what's out here. I think there's a car I'm looking for that might have some parts, but anyway, just cruising around, seeing what's new, and picking stuff if it's worth picking. Check that out. This is a 77 Jaguar. Pretty interesting car. Wow, check out that interior. Look at that wood dash. Beautiful. That's a beautiful car. It's too bad it looks like it's pretty far gone. Somebody got the carburetors out to save them. That's a nice V inline 6. There's beautiful lines on this car. Beautiful lines. So I can get you a shot of the driver's side. Yeah. Beautiful car back in the day. Another beautiful Jag, 1990 XJ6. Look at that blue interior, blue leather interior, one of my favorite colors. It's a nice looking car, I think. Well, here's something you don't see every day. Porsche Boxster at the pick and pull. Let's see what year this is. Looks like it's a 01 Boxster. Panels. Hood looks like it's in a decent shape. Headlights are already gone. Interior looks pretty trashed. But here it is. A couple of neat cars here side by side at the pick and pull. This is a 71 Fiat 124. Looks like it was a manual transmission. Neat little sports car. Nice little twin cam inline 4 here. Looks like somebody pulled the carburetors already, and panels look pretty straight on it. Got the big US bumpers on it, but overall, I think that might be the seat for it. But man, too bad it's heading to the junkyard. Body seems pretty straight. Looks like somebody was in the middle of a restoration. Did the body work and kind of gave up on it, because I think that's all primer. It's a little bit of, I can tell there's a little bit of filler. And neat little Beetle here. What year is this one? Looks like a 74 Beetle. that teal or green? I don't know what the original color was. May have been resprayed at one point, but oh, looks like someone pulled the engine from it. But great little cars. Really easy to work on. You can see there's not a lot of, not very complicated cars. Looks like somebody pulled the headlights but then forgot to take them. Anyway, a couple of oldies but goodies right here. Here's another interesting find. It's a 76 Toyota pickup, but man, this would have made a great rat rod. Taillights are still intact. Body is really straight, except for the front fender. Somebody peeled those off to grab some stuff, but ooh, some would need a timing chain. Pulled the valve off, but a valve cover off, but took the front off. But yeah, such a shame to see it's going to go to the crusher, but man, it would have been a neat car. Love seeing these old Toyota pickups. Ooh. And then it was a 3-pedal too. Interesting. Oh, let's see. Pick and Pull's got this Saab for sale. Looks like it still runs. Doesn't see a lot of these on the road. A 9.5 2.3 turbo. Retired Air Force, thank you for your service. But body looks pretty clean. 2005, runs. Interior looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Wood trim looks beautiful. Wood trim looks like it's intact. Nice dark wood trim. It's not bad not bad shape. Not bad at all for 2,200 bucks. Well, check this out. Haven't seen one of these in a really long time. 1987 Sterling. And got a little Simon and Garfunkel in the tape deck. But yeah, there's a car you don't see every day. Limited edition Sterling. Pretty cool. That's here as a builder. I don't know how collectible these are, but this one's pretty far gone. And me all new paintwork and